Hi guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to do another clock. So I've got another cake base. I put it on some cups. I just put some double-sided tape on the back side. So I want to do a ring pour with a ribbon. I think my cup might be a little bit too big, but I'm just gonna try it. And because I want to do the ring over my pour, or the ribbon over my ring pour, I'm not gonna do white as my first color. I'm actually gonna use it as a little bit higher up, because I know it's not gonna be the last that's coming out, and I want a little bit of a lighter center. So I put it as my third color. So I use my Primo crafts paint, and I put some pearl white in every single color, just to give it a little bit of a sheen. And this is my IKEA gold. And I also added varnish. Just because these paints normally dry matte, and I really like to have a little bit of a shine on them. So I thought, why not add just a little bit of varnish into my colors? So that's what I'm gonna try today. I'm just keeping experimenting, and I just bought the varnish, not just to finish my paintings, but I bought it to do a bloom, because I finally got my untinted base. So one of the next videos is gonna be another bloom attempt. Okay. I'm not gonna use this part, that's why I poured it into the side. Oh, I put my finger in the paint. Got a little bit too low there. Well, I was gonna do a ribbon anyway. Yeah. So let's move this paint. I'm not really loving this part. But I know if I'm gonna stretch it this way, there's the same kind of colors on that side, so I'd rather let it stay. I'm gonna torch it real quick, because I've got loads of bubbles, like insanely amount of bubbles. I really like this. I think it's gonna look amazing as a clock. So let's hope it dries nicely. I don't even mind my finger dip I did actually gives it a little bit more dimension. I love how the ribbon flows over it. It's just amazing. So let's see how it dries, and I will show you when I turn it into a clock. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.